Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subby, thank you for your support. So, guys, recently Dr. Malinga bought a car for his wife and also bought himself a car. And then MacG on his podcast with Sol Pinduga, they were talking about it. They say that he must read the room. He's not supposed to post because the last time he came to the podcast, he was crying. I think it was based on financial struggling, something like that. So it didn't sit well with Dr. Maling, and then he had to respond. He said, and then Dr. Malinga was like, Riska Twailana. Riska Twailana. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Bye.